Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, where we make technology simple and easy to understand. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set or change the default save location in Windows 11 step by step. So this will help you save your files exactly where you want, whether it's on your main drive, another partition, or even an external drive. So let's get started. So guys, by default, Windows saves your files like documents, pictures, videos, and music in the C drive, as you can see. But if your C drive is getting full or you want to keep your files in another drive like D or E, then you can easily change the default save locations. Alright, let's see how you can change it step by step. So the first step is click on start menu and then click on settings. Step 2 is in the settings window, click on the system and then select storage. Now the step 3 is, now scroll down a little and click advanced storage settings. Here you will see an option called where new account is saved. Here you can see, tap on that. Now you can choose where you want to save your new apps, documents, music, pictures and videos. So click on the drop down under each section and select the drive you prefer. For example, local disk D. So here you can see new documents, music, whatever you want to save. Click on drop down under each section, and now I want to change the default save option for my photos and videos. Here I will select local disk D. Now that's it guys. Once you have selected your preferred drive, click on apply and that's it. Yes, you can see now your photos and videos will be saved on your local disk D. So that's how easily you can set your default save location in Windows 11. From now all your new files all your new videos and photos will automatically be saved to the drive you selected. That is so I have selected drive D, so my photos and videos will be saved in drive D. So I hope guys this video helped you understand how to manage your storage better in Windows 11. If you found this helpful guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and press the bell icon so you never miss more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching.